Hmm?
Daddy,
Yeah.
this is crazy.
It is crazy.
Yeah. That's how we did.
Oops. How do you get? Oops. Nope. Oh, you gotta keep going up. Sorry. Up.
Up, 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 up.
And then up some more, baby.
Daddy, you need to do me. Daddy, you need to do me. Daddy, you need to do me.
Mm-hmm.
To the one by.
You like planes? You wanna get down? No? You want me to carry you? Yeah. It is. Because we're up on a boat. See? You want to touch the plane? It's an airplane. You can't. It's old. Look at the water. There's a boat. You see it? Look at the bird. We're on the boat. We're on the boat. That plane is called a Blue Angel. Mm-hmm. We can't cross that line.
Why?
Because we're not allowed to.
Why? I love too much, Daddy.
Look out there.
I don't know how to touch it. I don't know how to touch it, Daddy. I don't know how to touch it. I have to touch it.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how to touch it. I have to touch it.
That's where we came up on. Look at your mom. How did you get up here? How'd you get up here?
I tried to go upstairs.
No.
I'm joking.
There's an elevator?
Yeah.
Oh.
Mommy, how you get up there?